Hi everyone, I'm Kevin from the Thompson-Nicola Regional Library. In this video, I'll show you how to use TumbleBooks on a computer. There is also an app for Android and Apple devices. TumbleBooks is an online resource that includes talking, animated picture books, and many other types of media to help children learn to read. Open a browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. In the address bar at the top of the browser, type tnrl.ca, then hit Enter on your keyboard. Welcome to the homepage of our website. Scroll down to the Online Resources for Kids section. Here, you can access the TumbleBook of the day by clicking on the Read Online button. To access the TumbleBook Library site, click this button. This is the main TumbleBooks page. On the main page, there are several themed sections, which you can see as you scroll down the page. You can click the title of a section to view all the books in that theme, or click the arrow on the right side to view more titles. At the top of the page, there are two menus, the top bar here and the colorful tabbed menu here. Let's look at the colorful menu first. It includes different media types. Click on each one to see what's available. Just like on the front page, you can click the titles of the theme or click the arrow on the right side to show more titles. You can also view all titles in a media type. I'll click on Storybooks. Storybooks are animated with narration and music. Let's click on one to see what it does. I'll click Read Online. You'll see that the text highlights as the narrator reads it.
The early bird wakes Bailey up. It's time to start the day and get ready for school. Don't be late.
Read-alongs are chapter books at a variety of reading levels which allow children to listen or read for themselves. Taking a look at a chapter book, I can read it on my own, or I can click play to have it narrated.
Chapter 1. The Sled. Do you live here? Emily looked up from her sketchbook. A boy was standing in front of her porch. He was tall.
There are short educational videos on a variety of topics, and puzzles and games providing interactive fun based on books. Now let's take a look at the top menu. There are a few informational pages and an A to Z index of everything on the TumbleBooks library. If I click on M, all the media that starts with M will show up. Let's take a look at two important parts of the top menu, your favorites and your playlist. I'll click on favorites. I can see that it's empty, so let's go to storybooks and add something. I'll click on Bailey again, but instead of reading online, I'll add it to my favorites. When I do, a pop-up confirms that it's been added. When I go back to my favorites, I can read Bailey, remove the book, or save it for later. Now I'll go to my playlist. I can see that this is empty too, so I'll go back to storybooks and add some books to it. First I'll pick Chicken, Pig, Cow. I'll click Add to Playlist, and just like with favorites, I'll click OK on the pop-up. Now go back to storybooks and we'll add one more book. Let's pick Lola at the Library. I'll add to playlist and confirm in the pop-up. Now when I go back to playlists, I can see the books that have been added. I can remove a book, remove all the books, or launch the TumbleBooks player. Playlists are great for setting up a few books in a row so that the child or children you're reading with don't get distracted while you're finding the next book. You can also browse pre-made playlists in the Playlists tab. If you're looking for a specific book, you you can use Tumble Search. Click the button located in the top right. You can search by title, author, and several other categories. Let's say I'm looking for Robert Munsch. I'll enter his name in the author search box, then click Go. When the results come up, I can see that there are several Robert Munsch books available. Click on one to select. You can find even more great ebooks through Sesame Street eBooks, which you can access on our website homepage or from BC Library to Go by using the Libby app on your Android or Apple tablet or smartphone or a Windows 10 computer. Thank you for watching this video on TumbleBooks. I hope you enjoy reading with this fantastic resource. If you have any questions, you can contact us by email at questions@tnrd.ca or by phone at 250-372-5145. Bye for now.